What's up, YouTube? I'm back, guys. I'm back with three. Part three. Now I'm about part six. You're gonna do one part seven, but part six is look YouTube. But just do a search right here, so YouTube. Look, I'm gonna teach you kitty question of the summer on here, so I feel like it's time I have to come back for vlog back again. Kitty, kitty, please just come on, kitty. We're not ramp. Where the kitty? Kitty, in the bush. That is say in the bush. What is say in the bush? Brother, guy, me I start get one YouTube. Me I teach him I go find it now. God, please help me find my cat. I don't me I beg you, God. Kitty, kitty. Me that is the shame in the bush, but I'm afraid, guy, me too afraid for going on this. I'm afraid of the bush. I'm afraid of the forest. I don't want to get lost in that forest. I'm not going in that bush there. I mean, I know when you way how to come out. Kitty, kitty, where are you? Kitty, just come out for one. I'm not ramp. Bro, kitty, just come out. I'm not ramping. Stop playing, bro. Kitty, I'm nothing say up in another tree there. No, up in another tree there. Kitty. Oh, see, Panya. Nothing say she over. No, you can let it in there find out. You know, okay, YouTube. If I'm find out, me get back to you guys. This is the end of the video. Remember to like and subscribe. We have more bangers and video. If I'm find out, me I come back and record. How me find out? God, please let me find me care. God, please let me find out. This is the end of the video. Remember to like and subscribe. We're all peace.